Sego Sewahyó Onon'onhserákeras Uwawanisarlade do Onon'onhserákeras yoht Tesekhánnyon ne Tesekhánnyon ne Kahehtakéha no Kahik'shón Sawahyó. So today we're going to be showing you how we chop veggies with the children at the school. And I know it can be a little intimidating for families to do that with their children and to trust. But we do this mostly through modeling. So if you can make sure your child is sitting really close to you, you can share the same board or you can have your own boards. Kahswén. Dahno giko ne Otyerén. And when we hold it, awado ne asatste ne giko sesnyonge ehnoka to yoht hagi. So we'll start, if you're new to doing this with your child, start with something soft. Ne yonetska sateo ne giko Onon'onhserákeras. And so, Tesekhánnyon, Hánnyon, Tesekhánnyon, Hánnyon, Tesekhánnyon, Tesekhánnyon, Kahik'shón, Ase'shón, Hánnyon, Tesekhánnyon. When you're all done, put down your Otyerén. Otyerén dano giko agera yashra. And if you're new to this with your, it is really Teyohyákton, the bananas are really good to use because they're so soft that you can even, if you're a little bit nervous of using sharper knives, you can even use just a regular butter knife with it. Hánnyon, Tesekhánnyon, Hánnyon, Tesekhánnyon, Hánnyon, Tesekhánnyon. When you're done, you put your knife down. Otyerén ne Kahik. Teyohyákton dano akerage yashran. And when you start getting a little bit more advanced, if you were to have something like a Sewahyó, what I would do is I would cut it up first for them. So we'll split it into quarters. Niko Nekadio, and I would firstly take out the core for them myself. So as the adult, you can do this to help prepare it for them, because this is a little more advanced. And once all that's out, then you can give it to them, and they can take their knife. Make sure you have your pointer finger and you show them that. It helps you have more control of the knife. Hánnyon, Tesekhánnyon, Hánnyon, Tesekhánnyon. Make sure you model that when you're done cutting, you put the knife down. And we move the kahik over to a gerda. Hánnyon, Tesekhánnyon, Hánnyon, Tesekhánnyon. And we can do something else, like the Otyerén, that's pretty soft. It's not too hard, so it's a little bit easier for the children to cut as well. Hánnyon, Tesekhánnyon. And I notice some children, when they're not used to chopping yet, they don't know to do this kind of motion. They'll just press down on it. So you want to model that motion for them. Hánnyon, Tesekhánnyon, Hánnyon, Tesekhánnyon. When you're done, put down your knife Yashrane asare
and
eton.
sometimes the juice can come out.
Yep, sometimes the juice comes out. Tahno eto niyochi Tesekhánnyon ne Ase'shón tahno Kahik'shón. Yawa sewa gwego ona.